Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the BABYCE 61-key electronic piano keyboard, a product that seems tailor-made for anyone just starting their musical journey. What immediately stands out about this offering is that it's presented as a complete package. It doesn't just include the keyboard itself, but also comes with essential accessories like a stand, a comfortable stool, headphones for practicing without disturbing others, and the necessary power supply. This means a beginner doesn't have to worry about buying extra equipment to get set up and start playing right away. The keyboard features 61 keys, which is widely considered an ideal size for beginners. It's large enough to allow students to learn basic scales, chords, and simple songs, providing a good foundation in standard piano skills, but it's not so large as to be overwhelming. The physical dimensions are listed as 33.8 inches by 4.1 inches by 12.7 inches, described as a professional design that is perfect for beginners to learn and control. In terms of features designed to aid learning and keep things interesting, this keyboard is quite well equipped. It boasts an impressive 255 different instrument sounds, known as timbres, and 255 rhythms covering various musical styles. Additionally, there are 8 percussion sounds and 24 demonstration songs built in. This extensive library of sounds and rhythms is a significant advantage for beginners. It allows them to experiment with different sounds, play along to diverse beats, and listen to demo songs to understand structure and melody. This variety helps keep practice sessions engaging and encourages exploration. The product information emphasizes that this keyboard is designed to help beginners learn rich musical knowledge and master basic standard skills. Features like tempo control further assist in practicing at different speeds. It's stated to meet the needs of beginners, students, and adults, making it a versatile first instrument choice. The inclusion of a USB music player adds another layer of functionality. Overall, the BABYCE 61-key electronic keyboard package appears to be a comprehensive and feature-rich option for anyone looking to dive into playing the piano or keyboard, providing all the necessary tools in one box to facilitate learning and practice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.